Early in the morning, on the southern edge of Marion County in the heart of Florida, a sharp-eyed sheriff's deputy spotted a parked blue Toyota Tundra reported stolen by Gainesville Police Department. As the deputy pulled into the parking lot of the Circle K, the vehicle sped off. The deputy confirmed that the Toyota was stolen, but she had no idea there was a hostage in the passenger seat. We're passing Circle K eastbound on 42.
Around Sunset Harbor, set up there.
I can do that.
Yeah, if he's just driving normal, wait till we get there and enter it up before we let it up. Unless you have to.
We're still eastbound, coming up on 92nd Terrace, speeds are 40.
I'm set up on 440, just south of Sunset.
26 on that. Coming up on 42 now, Marion. Gonna be making a U-turn at 99th Avenue. Looks like we're headed back westbound and north on 97th Avenue Road.
Westbound 97th Avenue.
There we go.
Still gonna be northbound on 97th Avenue.
Northbound 97th Avenue.
East toward 441 at the intersection of 441 now, most likely going northbound.
And 441.
Northbound 441.
And 441.
Marion, he's taking off on me. I'm gonna have to light it up.
These are 70 northbound 441. Coming up to Sunset Harbor. 10-4 speed 70 coming up to Sunset Harbor.
If there's a unit still near Sunset, he's gonna be northbound in the outside lanes. Right now his speeds are about 104. There's very light vehicle traffic.
Air 1 Marion, we're 10-8-6-1. Ready on 6.
10-4 minutes.
That's 38 northbound. Turn to right on the Sunset Harbor.
We're right on Sunset Harbor.
Keep straight.
10-4.
441 passing Sunset Delight Ice Cream Shop.
10-4.
He's slowing down, maybe coming to a stop. 143rd lane.
10-4. Right on Southeast 132. 10-4. Right on Southeast 132.
Vehicle continuing eastbound on 143rd lane.
10-4. Continuing eastbound 143rd lane.
He's on rims on the front.
We're going 19 miles an hour, going eastbound still. At the 9,000 block, southeast 143rd lane.
Trust your guys.
10-4 line. 9,000 block.
Trust your guys. Pay attention to this gentleman here. So far, no pedestrians. Focus on him.
Passing southeast 90th Court. Right on southeast 90th Court.
10-4 right on Southeast 90th.
He's losing the driver tire.
Again, right on southeast 144th lane.
10-4 right on Southeast 144.
Making a left on the southeast 90th Avenue.
Left on 90th Avenue.
Maybe coming to a stop again.
10-4. Station Sunrise Street.
If he gets back out to Sunset Harbor, you can try to hit him again.
26 on that. Focus and breathe. Focus and breathe. Focus and breathe. Focus and breathe.
Taking a left on eastbound on Sunset Harbor.
We'll clear this intersection here.
10-4 left on Southeast Sunset Harbor.
Eastbound. Hit.
Hit.
Driver, white female passenger. You get back in front.
10-4.
Male has a white baseball cap, orange t-shirt. Going eastbound on Sunset Harbor again, passing southeast 93rd Avenue.
Units, we do have one vehicle coming toward us. Keep an eye on that.
Just for another tire.
10-4 losing our path.
Good job. Breathe.
He is getting from the 0 to
10-4, I don't want to pin him on this curve.
making a left on the southeast 100th Avenue.
10-4 left on 100th Avenue.
Northbound, 100th Avenue at the 2,500 block. Speeds are 38 miles an hour.
He's driving in the wrong lane of traffic. Let's back off, let him back in.
10-4.
Alright, I need him to get through these curves here, and then we can go for it again.
You got a white substance coming out of the window here. I'm sure if it was from the road or first vehicle at the 14,300 block.
10-4.
Loosen left tire.
I'll let him roll until we get up this hill. Can we get a unit up ahead on 100, try to stick these last two tires?
Working on 100th Avenue, set off your sticks.
Alright, so we're doing good, but I want to get him through these curves.
How's your traffic? There's only one car that's conscious. We're passing northeast 130th Street.
Air 1 Marion, we're to 97, we can call Jason.
10-4 27.
Northbound 100th Avenue, passing 126 lane.
10-4 northbound 100th Avenue, passing 126.
I don't want to pit until we get on top of this hill, because I don't want him to hurt anybody. Traffic's clear, there's no pedestrians. I just need to wait till he gets out a little bit further so we can be safe.
Passing southeast 122nd lane, still northbound.
10-4.
They're approaching C25.
10-4 approaching Highway Supervisor.
Try to get on this curve here. Once we're through the intersection, pedestrian.
He's going straight across C25 into
Parking lot going eastbound.
10-4 straight across the parking lot.
pit.
Marion Pit.
10-4.
He pulled out of it, still eastbound, passing 100 at First Port Road. I'll see.
ahead of it. I'm not going to be able to pit him again until we get out of these curves.
Still eastbound, Highway 25, passing up 123rd.
107th court, still east.
Alright, so we're going to do a primary and then we're going to have to end this chase. I don't want to do it on this curve up here because I don't want to hurt anybody. 2-lane road might be all we got.
Speeds and traffic.
No traffic ahead.
Going for a pit. Pit attempt.
Air 1 Marion, they're still eastbound, passing 119th court.
10-4 eastbound, passing 119th court.
Alright, once we get up here, we'll be able to attempt to pit once again.
Passing 146 here.
Northbound American from C25.
Alright, this will be our last chance. Before this crash.
All fires move on.
He's got the back passenger.
6694 on your left. He has one fire left.
Air 1, are we looking safe for a pit up ahead?
Yes,
Road is clear.
Just hit a deer?
they're passing 114th Street Road.
10-4 passing 114th Street Road.
Another pit, Marion.
10-4 another pit.
Hey! Stop! Stop!
Looks like a 12,600 block of Maricamp.
Stay in the vehicle!
Hey, we good to call him out to you, Young?
Okay, I'll call him. You can get him out. I don't know. He's standing up.
Sir, are you right out the window? Show us your hands. Show us your hands so we can help you.
Stop breaching!
Stop breaching!
Your hand. Hey! Come out of the truck and show us your hands so we can help.
Wolfenberg, get better cover back there.
Radio 10-1 tonight.
Uncooperative, he's reaching for something.
10-4. 6733.
Sir, show us your hands and exit the vehicle so we can help.
Hey man, you want some better cover? I gotta unlock the door. I got my engine block. You ain't got a whole lot over there. You're welcome, man.
Start medics hot,
the signal for 1031. Have them staged. The passenger's unresponsive.
Sir, I need you to exit the vehicle so we can help you. Please show us your hands.
They haven't secured yet?
Air 1 Marion, they're still trying to get them out of the vehicle. They're approaching now.
Station still 1033.
You have any view on him at all? No, not with that glass like that.
He's in the back seat. He's in the back seat standing up.
He's in the back seat standing up.
Who's behind me? They got another shield? Who's behind me? So he's in the back seat right here.
I could see him moving back there. He was standing up though, because I could see him by the driver's seat. Yeah, he was standing up. He was standing by the driver's seat. Yeah, she's... I don't know. Yeah, he's still moving back there. You can see him. He's squatting now, though. I'm looking right at his head.
Alright, I see a hand, I believe.
You able to hit the spotlight on that window?
Yeah, I probably can.
I got it right here. I don't want any sympathetic fire coming from this right side.
Yes, sir. We're just shining the light on the window so we can see better.
He's standing up.
He's standing up
Against the top of the truck.
Hey, get that back window out. Hey, don't you reach! Don't reach! Don't reach! Get up!
He's trying to wake her up, it looks like.
We got a visual on him on the front.
Yes.
He don't have anything in his hands. Both hands are empty. She's moving a little bit, maybe. He's moving her. Both of his hands are empty. Both of his hands are empty, and he is moving her.
You want to get one person with a shield on that front window and just watch him?
He's reaching in the dash.
Hey, somebody's got to block the road. Go get the traffic. Get out of here!
Back up!
Come over here, Bill Hauser. Rick. Yeah. Come over here. I don't want to cross fire. No. Double shields. Almost here. You and Larson get side by side.
No, because I'm going to need you. Listen to LT.
Alright.
He's got head and hands in the dash currently.
I'll cover the back window.
Yeah, you got to go around where you got. Close to your gun, just so if something happens, you don't fire. They got enough fire right there.
I'm telling you, stop moving! Stop! Stop digging around right now! Let me see your head!
Air 1 Marion, they're 10-4. They're making entry into the vehicle.
You're about to get dog meat if you don't get out of that truck. We have got to get her first aid. You need to get out of the truck right now. We're coming in there and snatching you out. Or you're going to get dog meat. We've got to give her treatment. So get you out of that truck now. Get out of the truck! Get out!
Sarge,
Watch glass.
Sarge.
Watch glass, Eric. I'm going to come out.
Hold on. Let's not get too many people in there. Then come out!
I will, but there's glass right there. Get out.
Sierra
Hit him with the tape.
Oh!
Come out right now. Come out. Come out right now. Come out right now. Come out right now.
I'm coming, sir.
Come out. Get out.
I'm coming.
Come out.
Let me go. Here.
Put your hands behind your back.
I get behind my back. Get behind my back.
Okay.
Get behind my back. Damn.
Are you pinned somewhere?
Come out, man. Real simple.
Stand up.
Her neck is. Her neck is hurt.
Not that you care.
I do care.
It's pinned right here.
Anything in your pockets? Betty, you got gloves?
Medics come over. Yeah, let the medics work on getting her out of this vehicle.
Stop. Stop reaching. Stop. Stop.
She's conscious and breathing. As long as you don't see anything life-threatening, you just gotta be right now. We'll let the medics get her out and the firemen get her out.
Okay.
Hey, grab that.
You're gonna be okay. What's your name? Kim? Well, keep talking to me, Miss Kim. It's gonna be all right.
Put your chest on the glass. Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
Hey, Miss Kim.
Is it Kim or Kimberly? Kimberly, what's your last name, Miss Kimberly?
10-4 MCFR is just asking if it's going to be a rollover or if there's entrapment.
It's a rollover, 1 entrapment.
I have no idea where the probes are at.
There's one this side right here, this side of the side.
You have everything that's gonna put me inside? Huh?
He said he had a pocket.
Can you tell if your legs are trapped at all? I can see your right leg. Are you able to move your left leg at all?
Female distress.
All right.
We have medics go come get you out, okay?
Stop.
He's pulling me.
Stop.
He's gonna pull the probes out.
Who is this guy to you?
He's supposed to be giving me a ride home.
Yeah, did he tell you why he was running like that?
I have no idea.
I'm sorry you got caught up in all this.
All right. Ambulance is here.
I understand. Well, this is on me, not you.
She's having a hard time with her arm.
With her arm?
Yes.
No, we've got both her arms are good.
Oh, she was saying that
Her
she's
neck.
having issues with her.
Really good job with everything. I was really worried for you on this pit right here. I saw your wheels come off the ground and I thought you were the one rolling it first. So I'm really glad that you're okay. Be really careful with the pits like that. You had me like scared for you.
I gotta check my car.
Oh, I know mine's staffed.
Russell Corner. We got emails about him?
LT knew who it was. He said, not you again.
Did he really?
All right. Go find my friend.
Hey, I don't know if you heard, I already ran him on LCR, and I'm gonna have him send it on to you.
What is it?
His ID card.
You got a warrant?
Who's got him?
I don't know.
He's right here.
Alright, he's got to go in somebody other than her car because she's been towed in. Just come out of the car, man. It was pretty easy, wasn't it?
You know I saw you at the gas station. You're a ding-dong.
Everything else aside, I told you can come out. No one's going to hurt you. No one's going to hit you or molest you. But when you don't come out, that's why we've got to use the taser on you. Mirandize them to your question. You're not transporting them, man.
Russell, listen to me, man. Can you hear me? Give me a good nod. Come on now.
Stop 6-2.
Alright. So the other right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained them to you? Give me a good head nod. Yay, nay.
How Stringer's car.
He hit stop sticks. So he's gonna flat time.
Alright, we'll try again.
Yeah, that's all good.
Everyone, I think we're good right now. You can clear. Appreciate it.
Everyone's 1026.
That's a wrap on that. That's a full insurance loss.
Oh, yeah.
What's that here in case you want to see?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, man. And at the end of the day, I'm okay, you're okay, she's okay, so we're gonna be okay. That's what counts.
How's she?
What's up?
How's she doing?
She's doing okay, man. She's talking now, she's doing a lot better. She's getting out of the car and then they're gonna take her up to the hospital, okay? Yeah.
She was just riding.
I know, man. I saw her hands out the window. I ain't mad. I ain't even mad at you.
You got her?
Yes.
You run her?
I haven't yet.
Okay, run her. Let's see if she's got anything. She's the passenger, correct?
Correct. Her hands were out the window the entire time.
So we don't have anything on her?
No, not unless there's something in her purse, but we'll worry about that later. If I have to file for a warrant, I'll do what I gotta do.
I agree.
Don't forget to do a lost property report.
Lost property?
You lost a hubcap.
Oh. So the thing was, I actually saw him at the gas station. Him and I locked eyes before he's like, and he saw me. He could have just stayed put. He knew I was coming back because it's the only blue Tundra in Summerfield. All right, I know you're hurting, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this over with. That way we can focus on recovering. Okay, Miss Kimberly?
Yeah.
Alright. How do you know this gentleman? You're not in any trouble, by the way. You're just my passenger. I saw your hands out the window the whole time.
Okay. He was over at a friend's house and I asked him for a ride back to the house.
Have you ever seen him before?
Yeah, I've seen him before. I know of him, yeah. That's why I asked him for a ride home.
Excellent job. Very good. A lot of patience. I'm proud of you. You did really good.
Thank you. Honestly, though, for all the flying I did, it really wasn't that bad.
He was driving the shit out of it for having no tires.
That's why I asked everyone if we were clear. I hate doing it on a 2-lane road, but I have a curb and a bridge next.
Yeah, there was.
Oh, there's a shotgun shell. Here's the shell, so. This isn't gonna fall over on me, right?
Well, there is possibility. That's why. Put too much. Took a lot of our stuff out already. So.
Do you guys have your Halligans I can like reach in and fish it out? I like living. Yes, I do.
Engine 04500.
Just a bunch of charges.
Series 684, 10-4, 10-6.
Alright, man, you sit inside. Right there. No, sit right in there. Alright, we're not doing all that. Sit in there. I'll get you taken care of in a second. It's just.
We didn't hit the deer, right? He did.
Oh, he hit the deer. Yeah, it came right underneath it.
Pipe in here, I guarantee it.
I'll see.
Oh, what did I tell you?
You hit the deer, too.
That
deer back there is fresh to kill if you want to take it home. Marston's got a truck. I'm just saying. You can drop it off at your house.
I hit a bunny on the way here on 92nd Loop.
I hit a tire. How many tires you put on?
A bunch.
What's a bunch? What's a bunch? I know you at least 4.
A bunch. Hey, this is Deputy Wolfenberg with Marion County. How are you?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. I'm calling you back in reference to your stolen car.
Your stolen car now?
Well, at this point, it's a totaled stolen car, so...
Oh, is it really?
Oh, yeah, I rolled it.
Oh, ruh-roh.
Yeah, but we got him. Yeehaw.
That's awesome.
Alright, do it to it.
So you got a grinder there and you got that. That's got...
Wait.
I would say there's enough residue. If you get all that residue out of there, that's possession of meth.
I wonder if that's what he was throwing out the window. Empty. Well, let's see what's in there.
More meth.
Residue. I can't believe the Marion Oaks guys were all the way over here. Oh my gosh, darn, man. Everybody wants to party. Bueno.
I'm sure you suspended too, right?
Yeah, for DUI.
Oh, $10,000 bond.
Fantastic. Liquid meth or morphine? What do you think? I'm gonna say liquid meth.
Yeah, I would just do the same thing and stick another one of these down in there and get a little bit on it.
Meth.
Yep.
The victim was transported to a local hospital and was later released. She was never accused of any wrongdoing and faces no charges of any kind. The suspect, identified at the scene as Russell Kane Corney, was taken to Marion County Jail and charged with possession of methamphetamine, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of cannabis less than 20 grams, felony fleeing police with disregard to safety, grand theft of a motor vehicle, resisting an officer without violence, false imprisonment, and driving with a suspended license. Originally, Russell entered a not guilty plea. However, after almost 8 months sitting in jail, he entered a plea deal. All of the drug charges as well as the grand theft of a motor vehicle and the false imprisonment charges were dropped. In exchange, Russell pleaded guilty to the remaining charges and was sentenced to time served just a week shy of 8 months. He was also assessed fines and court costs of over $54,000 and has agreed to pay $50 a month. At that rate, it will take Russell 90 years to square up with the state of Florida. Russell was then transferred to neighboring Sumter County for violating his community custody stemming from a 2022 drug conviction. He was returned to prison in April 2024 and was released on community custody in August of 2025, which he continues to serve. Russell's criminal history stretches all the way back to 1998, when Russell was found guilty of possession of amphetamines at the age of 21. The subsequent 25 years saw Russell in and out of jail and prison for multiple drug convictions as well as driving-related convictions, establishing a long pattern of drug abuse and dangerous driving behavior.